Taoiseach Micheál Martin admitted that he is deeply concerned by road safety after Ireland suffered its highest rate of traffic fatalities for over a decade. By December the 30th, a total of 189 people had lost their lives on Irish roads. That's 14 more than the 175 people who died on Irish roads in the entirety of 2024. Even more concerning, it's the second highest rate of road fatalities in the last 12 years. Not since 2014, when 192 people died on Irish roads, has the country suffered such a grim level of traffic fatalities. Of even greater concern, the number of motorcyclists that have died on Irish roads is at its highest for over 2 decades. Alarmingly, 57 of the 189 people who died on Irish roads between January the 1st and December the 30th, 2025 were aged 30 years and younger. Mr. Martin vowed that Ireland will have to crack down on road safety in 2026. And he said it was important that the country achieved the same level of commitment to the enforcement of road safety and resourcing of road safety as witnessed when the Road Safety Authority was created under then Minister Noel Dempsey and the late Gay Byrne. Road safety campaigners have echoed that view. Park, which was established by Susan Gray, warned that it was important that gardaí are properly resourced and receive all personnel and technological equipment required for the enforcement of road safety measures. Park has published a 10-point safety plan to enhance safety on Irish roads and warned that it also underlines the importance of drivers committing to road safety standards and complying with all safety regulations.